We'll guide you through how to make a map in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a map, you can go and see the area on it, so I'll guide you through how you can go and make it. What you're going to need is 1 piece of redstone dust, 4 iron ingots, and then 9 pieces of sugarcane. You can get redstone dust from mining and finding it. You can get iron ingots from smelting iron ore, which you can go and find when mining, and then you need 9 pieces of sugarcane, and that will grow randomly near water. What we can do is go and put the sugarcane in a crafting table like so, and you can go and get your paper. Then what we need to do is put the redstone dust in the middle of the crafting table, surround it with 4 pieces of iron like so, and you'll get yourself a compass. Put that compass in the middle of the crafting table and surround it with paper like so, and as you can see, you get an empty map. We can go and click on it. Then you can go and right click on it, and as you can see, there is the map. We can see the area on it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.